In a residency program, I wanted somewhere where I can get training in any subspecialty under the sun with a lot of exposure, but in an environment that's small enough that I can make real and meaningful relationships with faculty, with my colleagues, with my co-residents.
The resources of SLU should not be underestimated. Really, truly, you learn so much here, and there's so many opportunities.
Training at St. Louis University would allow me to go kind of anywhere and excel in whatever specialty I pick.
St. Louis University has over 60 residencies and fellowships. Our trainees actually have an opportunity to participate in care in multiple health systems within the St. Louis region. Gives them a great opportunity to see how medicine can be practiced in different settings.
And each of those hospitals has its own unique patient population, and I think that really helps provide kind of comprehensive breadth of education for us.
They get to see kind of all the different opportunities that they can do when they finish their training. They can see how a hospital-based practice works. They can see how university tertiary practice works, and they can see how the Veterans Hospital works.
St. Louis University Hospital is their level 1 trauma center. They've been building the new hospital just adjacent to St. Louis University, so it's pretty exciting to have new facilities.
The new hospital is very exciting. It was built with residents, students, and faculty's input. There'll be greater educational and didactic spaces and a nice big resident lounge that's brand new.
Newer devices, newer technologies, and a newer building that will really hopefully inspire them. The clinical experience alone, I think it's one of the few institutions in the country where you have the umbrella of an academic institution, but you're practicing in a very urban, underserved community.
St. Louis has a really diverse population, and we have a lot of healthy patients and we have a lot of sick patients. Treating lots of different people really helps you get an understanding of the disease process and helps you to treat the patient and not just the disease process.
A lot of our patients are really sick, uninsured or underinsured. You get so many different things, and things from rural areas that get flown to us. It's a very good place to train, and I think people feel very ready when they graduate.
We see all kinds of cases that are really unique that maybe a typical resident wouldn't be very comfortable looking at. We have attendings that come in from, different institutions and private practices, and they're never not amazed by all the crazy stuff they see in a week here.
It also means that if you ever want to subspecialize, you'll get exposure here.
We want to have physicians who are ready to enter practice in whatever type of practice they're looking for, whether that's a private practice, a research career, an academic medical career.
There was endless opportunity. I could do research if I wanted to do research. I could do teaching if I wanted to do teaching. I could do clinical work if I wanted to do clinical work.
They're very good at teaching, and we do have a large faculty base, so we get a lot of experience. It really prepares you to take care of patients as you become an attending yourself once you graduate.
Been impressed across a lot of the different departments at how much the leadership in this program, in this hospital, and across all the different programs is really here for education and really of the best interests of the residents in mind.
One of the great aspects of SLU's program is that you do get autonomy as you go along, which I think is so important. So that way you feel very comfortable with your treatment plans. You also recognize what you don't know, which I think is also critical too.
Having a faculty that is invested in cultivating your curiosity and encouraging you to really grow, the camaraderie towards helping each other develop the grit you need to succeed through this program.
People that are from here and live here are really appreciative of the care that we provide. If you come to SLU, it will be a great learning opportunity for you, and also a great way for you to contribute to the city of St. Louis as a whole.
This is a comfortable place, a very welcoming place to train.
It's really hit everything I was looking for in a program. Learn on my own as well as have a breadth of clinical experiences, and I think SLU has done a great job with providing those.